Hi guys, it's Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We have Dr. Michelle here again. She hasn't been adjusted in a few days, so we're going to go ahead and do an adjustment today. We're actually at our Woodbridge location today. So Tuesdays I'm here at Woodbridge. The rest of the week I'm over at our Manassas location. We're going to go ahead and set up for chiropractic adjustment. So Dr. Michelle, let me have you scoot just a tad forward on the chair. Lean back right here for me. Relax your arms. There we go. And we're going to set you up here for a cervical adjustment here. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right over here for me. Relax your head back for me. There. Very good. All right. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. All right. We got some good movement there in the upper cervicals. And we're going to get in here. We're going to get some movement here in the upper thoracics. We're going to use an activator here in the mid thoracics to lower thoracics. Then we're going to do a couple of side posture adjustments here on Dr. Michelle as well. Okay, so we're going to get you get a better view here of the adjustment. Okay, like I said, we're going to adjust here in the upper thoracics, the cervical thoracic region. We're going to use an activator here in the thoracic spine, and then we're going to do some side posture lumbar adjustments. So we're going to start here on the mid-thoracic spine. Any tenderness in here, Dr. Michelle?
No.
No? Okay, good. Good. Probably we're going to get some cervical movement up here. Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. That felt good?
Yes.
Good. Let's get some movement right over here. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way, please. Right over here. Okay. There you go. Very good. Right over here. There. Take a deep breath in. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. There. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Give me this arm right over here. Right there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Very good. Thank you very much.